Have you got the money?
Relax, you know I've got it. Anyways, how you been?
Look, I don't have time to talk. Just give me the damn money.
There's no need to be rude about it. She was only asking how it was.
Okay, I'm fine. Can I have the money now?
Why should I?
Because I said so. And you owe it to me for all the things I've done for you.
What things? What is she on about?
I have no idea.
Bullcrap. I gave you an alibi so you wouldn't get locked up.
Amy, is that true?
Of course not. She's a liar!
Look, the cops are going to be here any moment. That's what you asked for?
Here's the money.
Nice doing business with you. I guess I'll be on my way then.
It's not over yet.